Hello everyone, this is Matt from Bmw of Ocala, here to show you the 2017 Bmw 440 Gran Coupe. The color we have here today is going to be black sapphire metallic. Looks very nice with the body style of this 440. Up front we do have the full LED adaptive headlights and a blacked out kidney grille. Also the LED fog lights. The headlights will turn up to 14-degree angle whenever turning, which does make them the adaptive. Along the side here, notice that it does have the M wheels, 19-inch alloy with run flat all-season tires. Turn blinker inside of the mirrors. Coming along the back of the vehicle, notice it does have the full LED taillights and dual exhaust tips for that inline 6-cylinder. We'll take a look at the sticker and see what all is inside. So it is the 17 440 Gran Coupe. Black sapphire metallic, oyster Dakota leather interior. Driver assistance package gives us the rear view camera, park distance control. Driver assistance plus gives us the active blind spot detection, active driving assistant, side and top view cameras. Lighting package gives us the adaptive full LED lights, automatic high beams. MSPORT package does give us those 18-inch M wheels, sport seats, the blue highlighted trim, M Sport suspension, M steering wheel, Shadowline exterior trim, and anthracite headliner. It also has the technology package, navigation, head-up display, BMW apps, BMW Online, advanced real-time traffic information, remote services, and connected app compatibility. We also have heated seats, wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, blacked out kidney grille, satellite radio subscription for 1 year, HARMON KARDON sound system, lumbar support, power seats, moonroof, and the keyless entry. The vehicle does get 32 miles per gallon on the highway, 21 in the city, total combined of 25. So with the keyless entry that the vehicle does have, you just walk up to the car with the key fob in your pocket or purse, grab the handle, it'll let us in. Push the side here, there's little ridges that'll lock the vehicle. Since this is the Gran Coupe version, it is a frameless door. So notice that it's just the window here. So the window does roll down just slightly to let us in, just like it would in a regular coupe. And then whenever you close the door, it'll roll up and seal. It does have the moonroof. Inside you'll find the oyster Dakota leather. does does have memory seating, adjustable thigh support here, part of the sport seats. More oyster leather Dakota on the door with that blue trim. HARMON KARDON sound system. Some M badging here. So go ahead and take a look at the inside. First thing you see is the M leather wrapped steering wheel with the paddle shifters. On the left hand side here we do have our dynamic cruise control. On the right hand side it does have the media options for Bluetooth, radio, voice commands, volume. On the left hand side of the steering wheel here we do have our automatic high beams. So they will turn the high beams off if the button is activated, which is right here. On the other side we do have our rain sensing wipers. The vehicle does have keyless start, as long as the key fob is detected inside of the vehicle. You can see the heads-up display. On the heads-up display, as of now, it's showing the mile per hour and the current speed zone that we're in. It's also showing our current speed. Some other pieces of information that would be posted out there are going to be media. So as you can see here, I'm just going through the settings on the steering wheel right here for the satellite radio. That's what we're currently listening to. If you had a CD in, or if you're listening to FM radio, it would show those. It'll also show the navigation, turn by turn if you're using it. So the vehicle does have a iDrive 5.0 system. Check out the navigation. 10.2-inch display, full HD. Putting the vehicle into reverse will automatically turn on the backup camera, located there on the right hand side, with the park distance control on the left hand side, and parking aid lines for your backup camera. It also has cameras in the front bumper, which are now displayed, showing it off the left and right hand side, which are going to be better for parking. You also have a over-the-top view, or a bird's eye view, which is showing all the way around the car. Better for parking also. Make sure you're nice and straight whenever you're parking in those lines. And you're also getting your park distance control again there on the left. So that'll beep for you if you're getting close to hitting something, and also give you a visual display. Lock and unlock is there in the middle of the car. It's not on the doors. Then you have your radio settings with your 8 presets, which can be adjusted to navigation addresses. You can also use it for contacts for your phone, satellite radio settings, quick sets for any of the iDrive. Then you have your dual climate control with heated seats. A USB port right up underneath there. They added that for 17. 2 cup holders, and it does have a DC outlet charger there. 8-speed Steptronic transmission with manual shift. Get your driving modes here: Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, and Eco Pro. Turn on different cameras here. Parking sensors. iDrive controller does control the screen. And of course your emergency brake. In the center console you do have your USB and auxiliary ports. In the gauge cluster, notice the 2 orange lines there in the middle. That's going to be part of the active lane keep assist. And that is just a warning. Blind spot detection with the triangles. Both of which will activate at 35 miles an hour or more. You also do have some more of the speed limit in that zone notification there, showing 50 miles per hour. It does have collision warning and pedestrian warning as well. And all those safety features can be turned off and on. Right down here, lit up in green. So they are on. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the back seats. So it is a 60-40 split rear seating. Two cup holders and an armrest. Rear ventilation with a DC outlet. Child safety restraints here for the car seats. Come along and check out the trunk area. And that shade there does come out in case you need to put something maybe a little bit taller here in the back. So some of the specs on the vehicle are going to be, the vehicle is actually 182.6 inches long, 71.9 inches wide, and 54.7 inches high. So it's going to give you a total headroom of 39.9 inches. 42.2 inches of legroom in the front seats and 33.7 inches of legroom in the rear seats. Here in the back of the vehicle, you're going to get a total of 17 cubic feet with the seats up. And if you put the seats down, you're going to get 45.9 cubic feet of cargo space. And notice with the Gran Coupe, the whole back opens, including the glass pane of the back window. It is a power tailgate So you do have the options here to close it. One here on the left is going to just close the vehicle. The one on the right here with the lock is actually going to close it and lock all 4 doors. And lastly, we'll take a look underneath the hood. It is a double pull feature of the latch underneath of the dash, which is going to allow you to no longer have to search for the lever underneath the hood. Just walk up and pull. So under the hood we do have a 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo producing 320 horsepower with 330 feet-pound of torque with a 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds. And the vehicle does weigh 3,799 pounds and has a gas tank capacity of 15.8 gallons. And as you notice, the engine does set back in the engine bay a little bit further. It's helping with a near 50-50 weight distribution. Battery is located in the rear of the vehicle, but you do have charge points up front, both of which are helping with that near 50-50 weight distribution, which is ultimately going to help you with better braking. Crumple zones up front, right in this area. The vehicle will take more of an impact in case of a front-end collision, making the car very safe. And it does have dual hood latches, which is helping secure the hood a little bit more, and also helping it in case of that front end collision. It's going to hold the hood down instead of popping up in your field of view. Nice solid close. And like other BMW 2017 models, it does have a warranty of 4 years or 50,000 miles. Covers the major stuff like your motor, the transmission, electrical system, air conditioning system. It also has a maintenance warranty of 3 years or 36,000 miles, so you don't have to worry about your oil changes. And BMW Assist, roadside assistance, for 4 years, which also gives you the BMW Online. Bmw of Ocala does ship our cars nationwide. If you have any questions, just give me a call or email. My contact information will be in the description. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.